Namaste everyone. Today let's practice Surya Namaskar, the ultimate yoga sequence for energy, flexibility and strength. Let's begin. Stand straight, bring your palms together in a prayer position at your heart center. Take a deep breath in. Next, inhale, raise your arms up and slightly bend backward. Next, exhale, bend forward and touch your toes while keeping your knees straight. Next, take your right leg back, drop your knee and look up. Next, exhale, lift your hips up, forming an inverted V shape. Next, Ashtang Namaskar. Relax yourself, lower your chest, knees and chin to the floor. Next, inhale, lift your chest up, keeping your elbows bent. Relax, stay in this position. Now, next one. Exhale, lift your hips up, forming an inverted V shape. Next, bring your right foot forward, drop your left knee and look up. Next, bring your left foot forward and fold into a forward bend. Next one, inhale, rise up and slightly bend backward. Last one, exhale, bring your hands to heart center and relax. This was one round of Surya Namaskar. Regular practice keep your body strong, flexible and energized. Try it daily and feel the difference. See you in the next video. God bless you all.